According to the source of knowledge from which we can get knowledge, there are two types of knowledge mainly. The first type of knowledge is the knowledge that we learn from other people, and the second type of knowledge, the knowledge that we discover ourselves. Now let me explain the first one. The knowledge that we learn from other people. For example, let's say you have completed your graduation from an institution on political science. Okay. So whatever you have learned to be graduated, everything you have learned either from your teachers or books or online. I meant everything is available. So now let's say if a person, Mr. X, just wants to acquire the same amount of knowledge that you have learned. So I'm focusing here on the knowledge, not on the certificate or on the degree. So is it possible for him to acquire the same amount of knowledge? Of course it is possible because everything is available. He just needs to read, study, practice, do some research, and of course once he will be able to achieve it. The second type of knowledge that I've said, the knowledge that we discover ourselves. For example, let's say we have developed an application which can tell us the birth date of a man if we take a picture. Okay. So let's say Mr. Y just wants to develop this kind of application too, but unfortunately you are the only one who knows the formula. So what he can do right now? Maybe he can ask you to teach him the formula. If you teach him the process, then of course he will be able to do that. And if you don't teach him, then what he can do? He can do some research himself, or he can find out some other people who are also doing research on the same topic to get the same output. So maybe he can join with them. He can get some ideas from them. And as far I know that there is nothing on this planet which is super necessary for us, but only one person knows that. So the last sentence that I want to say, remember independent learners. Everything is learnable and anyone can learn anything.